Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to show you guys a quick sneak peek of my breakfast here. First I want to shout out to all you guys. Thanks again, I appreciate all the new subscribers and all you guys have been supporting me from the first. Thumbs up to all you guys. You guys have been amazing. Guys, this is my quick breakfast here that I'm doing. This is just some spinach and grape tomatoes. I just whipped some 4 eggs here and a little bit of salt, pepper. So simple. I chop up a few spinach, throw in there and the grape tomatoes, and we're gonna make some breakfast, guys. Get this going, and I'm gonna make a little bit of cheese bread to go with it. Stepping out of the comfort zone, guys. So that's what I'm doing right here. Let's just flip this over, get this out. And guys, I have some cheese bread. I'm gonna get right into this pan to show you guys, all right? So guys, look how beautiful that looks. Amazing. All right, we're just gonna get it right in the pan, in the plate right here. And I got the cheese bread, some flatbread I got right here, guys. If you look at this, some flatbread bought at the store. Gonna get them right in the pan right here. Make our cheese bread. Really simple. Fast breakfast to make, guys. So we're just gonna get a little bit of color on it on one side here, guys. Then we're gonna flip it over. Make sure the bread is nice and warm. Guys, we're gonna see that nice color we get on it there, guys. Looking beautiful. So right now we're just gonna get the cheese right on top here. Put it on low right now. Sprinkle the cheese over it. Just let the cheese melt. So guys, I got a little bit of dry basil right here. Sprinkle a little bit of dry basil. And then a little bit of dry parsley flakes over it. Guys, that's looking good. See your cheese bread, it's done, all right? So guys, check this out. This is how simple this is, all right? You can get like 2-3 breakfasts out of this, guys. It's so simple. So guys, let's get some eggs right on the plate right here. Guys, we just throw them on like that for it to look good. It's beautiful with your cheese bread right there. It's all about portion size, guys. All about portion size. I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer. You can see what's going on the plate right there. And guys, we're gonna put some blueberries right here. Quick and easy morning breakfast, guys, ideas. Just want to share that with you guys this morning. So guys, take a look. Beautiful cheese bread right there going on the plate. And a healthy ham right there. It's just spinach and grape tomatoes inside, guys. A little bit of salt, pepper, and that's it. Beautiful. All right, that's a great breakfast idea, guys. You just use a flatbread. You can get that at any grocery store. Get it in your pan, warm it on both sides, and then you sprinkle your cheese on it, guys. A little bit of dry basil. Trust me, the flavor is amazing on top of the cheese bread there. A little bit of parsley flakes if you like for color, and that's it, guys. Again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, guys, to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You guys can know when I put out a new video. Catch you in the next one.